Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Emotional Fitness. Today in this video I am going to tell you about another Bach flower remedy, wild rose. Now let's see which type of people would need this remedy and how this remedy can help them. Wild rose carries the vibrations of inner motivation. A person, when faced with adverse circumstances, becomes completely beaten, feels frustrated, and becomes a fatalist. He does not want to improve himself and he feels that everything is because of his fate. He feels that what cannot be cured must be endured. He becomes totally apathetic with no interest in any activity of life. He does not think of suicide to end his agony, but he has lost the zest of life. He has no interest in anything in life and there is complete inertia of brain. A person in a positive wild rose state feels happy in his life and does all the work which is very interesting to him. He takes interest in all that is happening in his life and also of that of others. He feels that God has given him this work to do and so he does this work with very interest and feels that God will guide him in all his work. In the negative wild rose state, the person has lost his contact with the higher self. He feels no interest in his life and his surroundings and he feels that there is no one to support him. He has lost his confidence and does not find any hope of seeing better days. Whether in illness or in his life, he becomes very apathetic. He moves along through the life without any interest and he simply lives like an animal who eats when hungry and defends when attacked. He does not complain about himself to anyone. He feels very tired and weak always. The real cause of his misery is because he has lost his contact with the higher self, the soul which is within him. The higher self is always there to guide him throughout his life. Without the guidance of the higher self, the man's plight is just like the rudderless boat in the deep sea which lives in the mercy of the waves. Wild Rose provides the necessary motivation to such type of persons. They have given up caring about themselves or of others and they prefer to be away from people those who are annoying or disturbing. They have lost their creativity and spontaneity and they prefer to lead a quiet and easy life. They do not have any job or they take up a very undemanding job. They lack imagination and do not prefer to have any change in their routine. They are not morning people and they prefer to lay in bed if possible. They do not have any ambition in their life and they just drift along through life without any interest to change themselves. They say things like, that's life, that's just the way things are, let's not rock the boat. They are emotionally flat without any strong good or bad feeling towards anything and they are rarely seen being strongly happy or deeply unhappy. Now, let me explain this wild rose state with an example. A man died in a road accident, leaving behind his young wife and 3 months baby. The wife was so much overwhelmed by the grief and shock that she couldn't even weep. She had to be cajoled to feed her baby. She became so much apathetic in her life. Wild Rose brought her back from this apathetic state and she started living happily after that. Now let's see how children can be helped with this remedy. In this lockdown period, the children are the ones which are most affected. They are not allowed to go outside, and they have online classes which is in the house itself, and so they cannot go and meet their friends or play outside in the garden, and so they become very bored. The online classes is also just like watching TV, and so they are becoming very apathetic and feel that life is a bore, and so they do not want to do anything. They are becoming apathetic and tired, and sometimes even they lose their appetite. Nothing excites them and they feel tired and bored. In such situations, Wild Rose remedy will spark the children's energy and bring back the joy of living. After taking the remedy Wild Rose, people start becoming more interested in their life, and they are revived from their mental and emotional dullness. They start making new plans and take up new projects as their interest to live life fully gradually develops. They start dealing things in a positive and energetic manner. If you all like this video, like, share, comment. And if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel Emotional Fitness and click the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.